Hi, today we concern with weak acid fast or weak Ziehl-Neelsen stain. Skin smear from suspected leprosy patient was taken, which was then stained with this weak acid fast stain. After completion of the procedure, this type of observations are observed. So here you can see plenty of acid fast bacilli. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So these all are acid fast bacilli. That is Mycobacterium leprae. In weak acid fast stain, using 5% instead of 20% sulfuric acid for decolorization. So the smear are graded based on the number of bacilli as follows: 1 to 10 bacilli in 100 fields, grading 1 plus. 1 to 10 bacilli in 10 fields, 2 plus. 1 to 10 bacilli per field, 3 plus. 10 to 100 bacilli per field, 4 plus. 100 to 1000 bacilli per field, 5 plus. More than 1000 bacilli, clumps and globi in every field, grading is 6 plus. So here you can see this one is the globi, this one is globi. That's why the probability of the grading is 6 plus. Now enjoy the clip. This one is still globi, globi, globi. So in every field you can see globi. That's why the grading is 6 plus. In this way, you became able to observe Mycobacterium leprae bacillus under microscope at 100x objective, that is equal or greater than 1000 times of its actual size. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.